Hi, this is Tom Kontos, and welcome to the March and April Kontos Commentary. I've been speaking with many of you on our weekly client calls and also one-on-one in individual client calls that we've arranged with dealers and major accounts at Car Global and Odessa and AFC and PAR. And we've had very good interactions in those, and we've been trying to keep you abreast on a weekly basis of what's been going on. But I'm going to take a bit of a look back today and look at prices in March and April, both in terms of how they compare to earlier this year and historically. After a strong start to 2020 in January and February, the COVID-19 crisis wiped out any gains in wholesale prices in virtually all categories. March and April average prices fell a cumulative 15.1% after peaking in February, and April's 16.3% year over year drop is the largest ever in the data series used by myself at Car Global Analytical Services, and that data tracks all the way back to 1994. On the retail front, used vehicle sales and CPO sales were down significantly, around 40% year over year. Now, I would hasten to say that in the first couple of weeks of May, we've seen a bit of a resurgence from any of these numbers that I've just described here for wholesale prices and for retail sales. And we'll have more to say about that when we've got the full month's data at our disposal. It's encouraging to see those improvements, but we also want to be cautious about that, considering there is a tremendous amount of unsold supply that has built up in the weeks that followed the shutdown, and we know that volume will continue to overhang the market going forward. In addition, we expect more volume to be starting to flow into our gates at our auctions in the industry as a whole, from off-lease units that may have been curtailed for a bit while lease extensions are being allowed, and then also from repos that have been deferred. As well, we also have a lot of off-rental volume that has built up and is building up as that volume starts to hit the auctions. So it's best to be cautious about expectations going forward, but I did want to throw in addition to the very dramatic drops that we saw in March and April, the bit of an increase in wholesale values that we've seen in early May. I think with that, I'll let it go for now, and I'll look forward to the opportunity to speak with you again soon on our regularly scheduled calls, as well as my next Kontos commentary when we've got complete data for May. In the meantime, be well, be safe, and thanks for your attention.